Hello friend, this is Dharmendra once again with my new video. In this video we are going to learn about point style, donut, polygon and circle. So we are heading towards the CAD screen. Here are the command which we are going to learn, that is point, DDP type, donut, polygon and circle. Okay. First of all, we have to set the unit, Limex and dimension. Whenever you are starting a new drawing, you need to understand that you have to set the unit according to your project. Okay. So here we are. First, unit, that means U and enter. Choose decimal, precision is 0 once again. Millimeter. Okay. Now de-enter for dimension style manager. Modify primary unit, decimal once again, then 0, click OK. Set current and close. Once again Limex. Here I am taking Limex 100, 100 mm. I have set unit in millimeter. Now our first command, that is point. We are going to learn about point, how to draw a point. Before that, we need to press Z enter and A enter to zoom out. Okay. Type PO enter. For point, we need to type PO enter. Then specify a point. You can click anywhere. The point is showing here, but it's not visible. We may use DDP type. DDP type to get different type of point style. We may choose this, and it will be much more visible and clear. Okay. Point we use to just specify a place from where we are going to draw a line or a project. Is that it? Okay. We can also, instead of DDP type, we can use format command and point style to get the point style on screen. Okay. This was the point command. Now our next command is donut command. Okay. Our next command is donut. Donut, DONUT. For this command, we will use DO enter. It will ask inside diameter. We are providing inside diameter 20. Okay. Specify outside diameter. For that we will take 25. Okay. And now we will click on screen. Okay, this way we can use donut command. Okay. The thickness of inner and outer is 5 mm. Donut is also used for symbolic representation, especially in mechanical AutoCAD. Now our next command is polygon. Polygon is equilateral sides. Polygon, POLY, polygon command. Okay, for that we have to type POL enter. When we will type POL enter, it will ask to enter number of side. We are providing number of side 5 here. That means it will be 5 side polygon. Enter. Then specify center of polygon. We will click anywhere on the screen, or if we have a particular center, we will click on the center. Okay. Now it's asking inscribe in circle or circumscribe about circle. We have not drawn any circle right now, so we will choose any of them. I am choosing inscribe. Now it's asking about the radius. I am providing 10 unit as radius. So it's 5 side equilateral polygon has been drawn. Okay, we have not inscribed or circumscribed. We were not drawn a circle here, so it's only polygon. Now we are going to draw circle, then we will draw polygon, inscribe or circumscribe. Okay, we can draw any side. We can draw multiple side. It could be hexagonal, pentagonal, or any polygon like that. POL enter. Number of side we are taking here 8. Here instead of center we can choose edge also. E enter, and we can choose any edge, first endpoint and second endpoint. Okay, this way we can draw polygon using edge instead of center. Now we are coming towards circle. Circle command. Okay. See enter. Specify center point. For center point we will click anywhere on the screen, and then they will provide radius. We are giving here radius 10 unit. So we have drawn a circle using radius value 10. Now we will draw a polygon inside it. POL enter, number of side 5. Center, for center we will pick the center and inscribe, that means inside. I enter. Radius we will once again put 10 unit. So it was inscribed 10. That means inside the circle we have drawn a polygon. If you want to draw a polygon outside the circle, we will take POL enter. The number of side 5. So specify center once again. We will choose C for circumscribe. C enter. Then radius will be similar to the circle 10. Okay, this way we have drawn the circle, the polygon inside the circle and outside the circle. Okay, so this was all about polygon and circle. In circle we have several options. I am going to tell you about all those options.